Before start selling your product on Amazon, it's super important for you to decide a brand name and tell that brand name to Amazon. No matter you are a brand registered seller or not, no matter you are having the trademark of that brand name, or no matter you are actually having the website of that brand name or not, but you still need to decide and finalize a brand name and tell Amazon that this is my brand name and I want to list my product under that brand name. Because this process will cost you nothing, but that will reserve your brand name into the database of Amazon. So if you do so before start selling your product, then you will be safe from a big trouble in future. And if you don't do this before start selling, then Amazon will list your product into generic category without any brand name, and it will be very hard for you sometime to update your brand name in future in Amazon. So if you wanted to tell Amazon that this is my brand name, then you need to open a case with Amazon to resolve error 5665. So if you have not started selling your product yet, so you can just watch my other video in which I have explained you that how to tell Amazon your brand name. I will put the link of that video in the description of this video. But if you have already started selling your product on Amazon without telling that brand name to Amazon, and in Amazon product detail page, you have inserted the word generic or NA or something else ABC XYZ on the brand name field of your Amazon product listing, step by step that how you can change the brand name of your product at this stage when you have already started selling your product on Amazon with any other name which is not your brand name. So sometimes it can be a very hectic process, but don't worry, I'm here. I will share you my experience in this video that how I get my brand name changed on Amazon even after 5 months of launching my product. So let's see how we can do it. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9 to 5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here on my computer screen, the number one mistake that most of the sellers do while listing their product is, in the field of that brand name, they put some words like generic, null, NA, ABC, XYZ. But that can cause you a big trouble in future. So if you have also put any other name or generic name in the field of brand name, then you must have to contact Amazon seller support to change that name. But it's not easy. Because every time you start contacting Amazon seller support to change your brand name, they will keep asking you that please go there, update your brand name and then click on save button and then check after 24 hours. But whenever you keep doing this thing and you updating the brand name on your product listing and then you update and save and then after 24 hours you see nothing happens and the brand name is still the same, which is generic or any other brand name you have put. So to do it the correct way, you have to go to your Amazon Seller Central and from there you need to click on the help on the top right corner and then you need to get down. So you can see there are many options to contact seller support. So if you go with this option and put your ASIN here and click on next, so you will be able to see that Amazon will start questioning you about your product. That is your product is new or old, we can select the new if your product is new. So after checking all the boxes, Amazon will start asking you more and more questions that if you want to create a case or not, and then at the end their seller support agent will ask you to go on the product page, update the brand name and click on save. But that will do nothing for you. So if you really need to change your brand name after start selling your product, then you need to go down, you need to click on get support and here you need to click on selling on Amazon. And here you need to type in detail that what is the issue. You need to ask Amazon seller support that this is my brand name and I have forgot to mention my brand name while initially listing my product, and now as I have started selling my product and I'm getting lot of sales, I want my brand name XYZ to be displayed under my product listing name. And when you open that case, so you will get a reply from Amazon that what are the requirements from them then you have to fulfill to change your brand name. So I'm just showing you my wording that what I have write on Amazon and what reply I got from them. So as you can see here, I'm in my case log. Now you can see that this is the case opened by me last year and the title of this case was update brand name on listing. So I'm going to show you that what I have wrote actually in this case and what reply I got from Amazon. So when I go down, you can see that I basically write that, hi support, we have recently registered our brand XYZ with Amazon. Now we want the brand name to be on all 3 listings that we are having right now. And we are unable to change that. And I have mentioned them clearly that, can you please help us out with that? We cannot create a new ASIN as we are already having a selling history and reviews on that listing. So this line you need to type must. Like you have to tell them that we are already selling very good and we are already having some reviews on that listing. So if we create a new listing with a brand name, all the selling history and all the reviews will be lost. So when you write that line and you just type your brand name, your product SKU, your product ASIN, and submit that case with a proper formatting and proper details, then the answer from Amazon you will get will be this. So you can see that, hello from Amazon Selling Support. Thank you for writing us with this additional information. So you can see that we need you to provide one of these valid forms of documentation. So they are giving us 4 options. So if we can submit any one of them, so they will allow us to change the brand name on your product listing. And I have also experienced submitting these documents, and after that they allowed me to change my brand name, and I was successfully able to change my brand name. So let's see what those 4 things are. Number 1 is manufacturers or publishers for book website link. So if you are not selling outside on Amazon, on Shopify, on your website, then you cannot provide this. So leave it. Number 2 is manufacturer's catalog. Either scan image of the physical catalog. So if your manufacturer are having catalog, then you can submit. But believe me, your manufacturer must be Chinese or any other manufacturer that will be having a catalog having no logo or no brand name of yours. So this option is also obsolete. So the third option is the most easy option, and I basically pick up this option, and I basically got success in changing my brand name. So that is a high resolution product pictures clearly showing the suggested changes along with the visual product identifier. Like, you have to pick up your product and you have to take some pictures of your product with packaging. Like, you have to take 4 or 5 pictures from different angles, and you have to make sure that on each picture you need to show the UPC or the ASIN or the FNSKU of that product, which is matching the listing of your product on Amazon. And every picture must show the logo of your brand. For example, if you are trying to register a brand named ABC, that picture of your product must have the ABC logo on your product packaging and the FNSKU label. So if you click some photos from your camera from different angle of your product, and every photo having the FNSKU and your brand name logo, then after submitting those photos in the reply of this case, Amazon will verify that this is your brand name and this is actually the brand name which is ticked or which is printed on your product packaging, and this brand name matching the FNSKU, which is the FNSKU of their product listing having the product ASIN of Amazon. So after verifying those images, Amazon will reply you in 24 hours that you can just go and you can just change the brand name and click on save. So after submitting those images and getting the reply from Amazon, when you go on your Seller Central and change your brand name and click on save, so you can see after 24 hours your brand name will be updated on your product listing. So I hope you have understand now how to change your brand name even after start selling on Amazon, and I hope this video helps you. So if you also try this method after watching this video and you will be successfully able to change your brand name, then make sure to type your experience in the comment box below so the other people can also see that this method will actually work. And if you have any question about Amazon regarding this topic or any other topic or any other e-commerce related business, if you wanted to make money online, then you can just ask that question in the comment box below, so I will surely try to answer you. Book a free one-on-one consultation call with me so we can just talk one-on-one and I will solve your problem. So you can just book that call from the link in the description below so you can discuss your questions with me live. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.